everything in New Braunfels is very much about a lifestyle, and there is no better lifestyle vehicle for New Braunfels than a vintage Bronco. This one, unfortunately, is not available because she's mine. But this 73 vintage Bronco is fully restored with all the bells and whistles. It features a second-gen Coyote motor pulling 435 horsepower, and the amenities don't stop there, so check out the interior. Not missing out on any luxury with this one. Full custom leather interior, full sound system, air conditioning. This Bronco really does have every modern convenience that you would hope for in a new car, but all of the vintage cool style of the originals. You're ready to ditch your generic Jeep and get something that truly screams New Braunfels lifestyle? Visit Badass Broncos at www.badassbroncos.com so you can check out their existing inventory and learn what it would take to build and customize your very own.